Hey guys, it's JD from Ponzo World, and as you can tell by what's in front of me, and by the title of this video, we are actually looking at these pretty decently cheap speakers from Parts Express. Now, I just want to say before I get into this that I'm sorry for different sound in this video and other things. I'm at my grandparents', which is normally not where I film videos, but in this case I am because I want to get this unboxing over with. So I bought these speakers because I had these speaker boxes laying around. It was like, I want to do something with these. So I was looking on Parts Express, which, if you want to sponsor me, Parts Express, please go do that. I'm not sponsored by them, but I would love to be. So if you're watching this, please, talk to me through email or whatever, and I might respond, and, we could be collaborating. But, anyway, so I measured here, this hole is 3 inches, and so I look on Parts Express, and sure enough, they have 3-inch speakers, which was pretty surprising to me, because, 3-inch speakers are pretty goddamn small. As you can tell, I already opened the box, but everything that's like this right now is basically the way it came, except for this little bit. But, it was all nice in there, and everything like that. Anyways, let's go ahead and get into it. So first open the box, there's some bubble wrapping. We also ordered these terminals for the speaker. We ordered 1, 2, 3, 4. There might be another one down in there, I'm not sure. These were really, really cheap. They're like 80 cents. 2-conductor speaker, wire, spring, terminal. Let's go ahead and cut this open. Look at these quickly. I can't get it open. There we go. Pretty basic. Those go down all the way. This one goes all the way down. So, there they are. Pretty cheap, but probably work really well. Alright, let's go and toss the other 3 off to the side, and I believe these are, this has to be the speakers. Aluminum, magnesium, mid-bass speakers. If I could focus on there we go. Comes this little basic white box, and this is how it opens. Alright, and there's a speaker. Going to take it out, and this looks like what I ordered. Show you there. That's all the information. Max 30 watts, 8 ohms. They do move. Rubber feels pretty flimsy, but probably works great. Let's go and set that off to the side and get into the other one. Or actually, let's go and finish what's in this box, because looks like there's something else. Oh, a little thing to go around the speaker. Nothing big. And then here's the other one. Yep. There we go. Same thing inside. Same information. I am also going to do a sound test on these in a few minutes. Why won't you focus, camera? There we go. Sounded a bit weird there for a minute, but seems like they work perfectly fine. Well, I haven't tested that, but okay. Ads, huh? Ads at the bottom of the bin. Alright, nothing big. Parts Express. Ooh, look at that. More coupons. And a packing slip. Alright, so that's all in the box. These speakers, I'm going to go do a little sound test on them in a few minutes with this little 40-watt amplifier that I have. So I'll be back in a few minutes with a new little video. So I hope you guys did enjoy this video. And don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see y'all next time. Goodbye. Hey guys, it's JD from Ponzo World. And as you can tell by pretty much what's in front of me, and by the title of this video, we are looking at audio quality tests on these little 30 watt 8 ohm speakers that I got on Parts Express. Now these are brand new. I have not even tried to play anything for these, and honestly, I just did an unboxing on these, and these look pretty good. I've been looking over them for a little bit more, but these look like pretty good speakers, so I'm going to go ahead and hook them up to this little... This is either a 40 watt or a 50 watt amplifier, this little mini one for a car. I also hooked it up to this Toshiba computer here. The music that I'm going to be playing is Alan Walker Fade NCS release, so non-copyright sounds. Shout out to you guys for supplying us with this video, music, whatever you want to call it. So let's go ahead and hook these up. Positive, red, to positive on here. And yes, I know I'm using black speaker wire for both, but screw it, I don't care. I get this wrapped around. I'll be back in just a sec. Alright, so I have the speaker hooked up. Definitely not the most professional way, but I'll solder it on later when I'm done with the whole entire product. Let's go ahead and turn down the volume on the computer so I don't blow the speakers immediately. Go ahead and turn it down to, let's do 33 for right now. And I'm going to turn on the amplifier. I could hear a little bit of sound coming out of the speaker already from the amplifier itself. Let's go ahead and see here. That's the volume control, so I'll turn that down on here. You ready? Let's go ahead and hear this. It sounded right. Keep in mind these aren't in a box, so. Definitely moving. Oh yeah, they're definitely moving. Alright, so pause it. Alright, what do I think about these already? It sounds alright for 30 bucks. I'm not gonna argue that they sound great or anything, but I mean, they're alright. For 30 bucks, I wasn't expecting much, and they are pretty decent. It's not warm, which is good, so it's handling it perfectly fine. It is definitely moving, and if there's any distortion on the microphone, it's not coming through here. It's just the microphone can't pick that up. And of course, you, the watcher, cannot get the exact audio that's playing through here, because the microphone, it just can't do that. So what you're hearing is probably not what I'm hearing. Now, of course, I have a second one here, but I didn't bring enough speaker wire to make it stereo. So what do I think about them? They're alright. Keep in mind these aren't in a box, so if I could quickly put these in a box. Yeah, that's definitely not the most professional way, but it'll work. Let's go ahead and see what they sound like now. Oh yeah, 10 times better. Oh. See my little wiring situation here? It's not going too well. Go ahead and play another song. It sounds, I will tell you what, it does sound 10 times better in the box. Let's go ahead and play Def Kev Invincible. I bet there's an ad. Yeah. Well, at least skippable ads. That's good. Now what do I think about them? I think they sound pretty good when they're in a box. Alright. They sound really good, and I got up to about 45% volume there. So they're pretty goddamn loud, but I would say if you have the money and you're looking for pretty good small speakers. These are definitely worth it, especially when you put them in a box. Are they warm? No. That's really good that it's not warm, so it can handle this sort of power. So if you're going to get these, most certainly get a little box to put these in, because it sounds 10 times better. And that's with really any speaker. But, yeah, so definitely go pick yourself up one of these. These are pretty good for 30 bucks once you put them in a box. Alright guys, well that's really all for this video. Once again, shout out to No Copyright Sounds for letting me play their music through here. Hopefully I don't get copyright strike or anything, but if I do, whatever. Alright guys, well I do hope you guys enjoyed, and don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see y'all next time. Goodbye.